This is an unboxing of the Frienda Silicone cover for the Wyze Cam. It's supposed to be a case that allows you to potentially put the camera outside and protect it from some of the elements. And I'm just going to open up the box and show you what you get inside. Inside you get the silicone case that the Wyze Cam goes inside of. Those are the mount screws in. The cable comes out the bottom here, and this is supposed to make it more weather resistant. We'll see if the Wyze Cam actually holds up in the weather. Here's the mount that the silicone cover screws into. You get a little instructions manual here, and then also included are some screws for mounting. As you can see, I screwed the mount into the silicone case, and that's all the assembly that's really required, except for actually mounting it somewhere wherever you choose. So I'll update you guys once I get the camera inside and it actually mounted up outside, and let you know my final thoughts on this case here. And this is what the final installation of the camera looks like. Here you can see an example of the Wyze Cam working during the day and at night with the night vision. The night vision isn't great outdoors because of the limited range. I've been getting a lot of false alerts due to vegetation blowing in the wind. It would be nice if you could set detection zones on the Wyze Cam V2 similar to the Wyze Cam Pan. I am mostly satisfied with the Frienda silicone cases held up to high temperatures and multiple heavy rainstorms since installation.